Okay, here we are. Ready for the quick tester. All I got is this. Looks like since the last time I was here, we've had a little bit of a rain. So, I think I worked up there. What I might do real quick is just uncover down to the clay, all the overburden, same in here, and then vacuum up, since I didn't bring any more tools. But look at all this goodness. So I'm just gonna clean that up because I don't want the leaves. Get all this out of the way. This is all overburden, but like I showed in the last video of this spot, there is gold in the overburden. So, but I only got the vacuum today. It's getting ready to snow. And I want to get this video out. Look at all that. Now, if I remember right, this is really juicy down in here. But look at all this. Pretty sure this is where I was at. I can't believe it has all this hard pack in there though. Maybe I was here. Either way, I'm going to work this too. Just suck it on up. The easiest gold I've ever gotten in my life. Now, I already know this area. So, of course, you got to find it. It's not the tools, it's the place. Okay, guys, a couple of their mods real quick before we start. I put a little pincher in here. Shouldn't go into the blade, but it is way too long. But it holds it. And I also put a rag all the way around this top here to seal until I get that foam. So, check this out. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Oh! I thought it was a one-shot dizzle. Two-shot dizzle. Pop it in. Got suction just as that idle right there. That's idle. Oh, baby! Cleaning up Mother Nature. She's a messy little one sometimes. Let's try that. That's a good hole right there. Pretty hard to hold the camera and do all this, but look at all this. That's some good shit, huh? Sorry for the cursing. Continue cleaning this baby out. Finding these grooves. Come back here after the floods, after the runoff. Look at that. Yeah. Let's see the overburden style, but at the moment I'm going to dig this hole out. That's amazing. Oh wait. Oh, that's not bedrock yet. There's still chunks in there. Alright, camera got cold. Shut off. Sometimes I want to show you guys. We'll just suck it up. Okay guys, battery's getting cold, but look at another third of a bucket. And I want to show you this too. Need a bigger filter for that super fine dust. But yeah, look at. Got one more spot I want to show y'all, so I'm going to move on upstream, and I'm sure I'll be back. This is like cooked food right here. Alright, later. You know. You can see there is so many spots here. And not too far down, this actually drops into a huge ravine into the river. So it seems like all these arroyos eventually, well, not always, but a lot of times, they'll come across bedrock like this before they enter the river or drop off the cliff, at least in my area. So, look at all this. With all this Fandango new machine here. And look at did 2 runs already, got a half a bucket, maybe a little more. Pure pay dirt. You guys are gonna be stoked. I'm gonna be stoked, I hope. And with this new little thing, man, I can go anywhere and just work for an hour. And look, I haven't even gone through a half a tank of gas yet. So can you guys see that? This layer of heavies. Oh, baby. Now, I reckon doing this is going to teach me a lot about how water flows through the rocks. You know, teach me where the heavies settle. A bit easier than, trying to judge by popping shovels out of the creek. Okay, done. 2 buckets, 2/3 full. And look at this. Now I know I'm leaving all the gravel and goods behind there. But, I'll come back for that. No one else is going to be here. And snow's coming, so this could wash back over. And I'd love to see how fast it replenishes itself. That's where I dug the crevice before. Did good on the first try. To the first layer of clay. Went down to the second. Like below this. And did not do so well. But we'll see. Experiment, you never know. And look at see this shelf just slowly come down and drained. Whew. This is like heaven here. A dream come true and nobody's worked it. And there's gold here. Hallelujah. Look at. This crack is going to be delicious. Oh yeah.